In this video, I will guide you through how to log into Subway Surfer for the first time. If you are new to the game and want to save your progress, connect your account or access your data easily, this video will help you. Let's get started. First, open the Subway Surfer game on your device. When you open the app for the first time, you will be greeted by a screen asking for your age. Just drag the slider to your correct age and tap on confirm. Now, here is the trick that confuses a lot of new players. You cannot access the login menu immediately. First, you have to complete the quick 30-second gameplay tutorial. Once you crash or finish the tutorial, you will be taken to the main home screen. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap the gear icon to open your settings. Here you will see two main options for login, Google Play Games and Facebook. If you want to log in using Google, you first need to make sure you have the Google Play Games app installed from the Play Store. If you already have it installed, simply tap on connect, choose your Google account and you are good to go. If you prefer to use Facebook, just tap the connect button next to the Facebook logo. A screen will pop up asking for your Facebook ID and password. Just type those in, hit login and your game will instantly link to your account. If you choose the Facebook login option, Subway Surfer will actually reward you with free keys and coin just for linking your account. And that's how you can log into Subway Surfers for the first time. I hope this video helped you connect your account and save your progress easily. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I will try to help. Thank you.